There's Pinky Baby Dad. Oh, Pinky Baby Dad got rubbed down. Oh, Pinky Baby Dad. We're getting rubbed down by Mother Nature. Oh yeah, it's like my work here is done, guys. I can officially go home. Here's Pinky Baby Dad. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jungle Hop Guy on YouTube. I'm down here in Florence, Alabama today at the Renaissance Shoals Conference Center and Motel, and the big blue tower I'm going to show you for the big reveal. And it's a beautiful afternoon. And today's Friday, I don't know, 24th or something. I don't know. I'm working 2 jobs. I worked 2 weeks in a row, straight, with no day off, other than today. So here's Pinky Baby and I got to be in the studio here in a couple hours with Van, and the waterfall. This is where we're located at, right here. And there is the big blue tower. Now, if you go back probably about 9 months ago, well, I don't know, about 6 months ago maybe, I actually went to the top of that tower and walked that entire circle. And the place spins when it's actually happening. Yeah, that big bowl up there spins in a circle, dude. And it is beautiful. But today, I brought Pink down here for the world's biggest water boat. And we're going to go and walk this waterfall because it has a horseshoe walkway that goes all the way around it. And that's what we're going to do. And I forgot my selfie strap, so hopefully I don't drop my camera in the water. So we got to cross the street. It's all clear. We can do some progress here. There's the Pinky Baby. Sorry about the broken continuity. I just had to bring you guys with me. Pink, let's go check out the water bowl. Look at this beautiful. Yeah, there's the big blue tower. Ooh-wee. This looks great. Well, I was down here probably about 6 or 7 months ago. I know Pink wants in there. There it is, baby. Ooh, boy. Look at all that. That's the doggy boat, Dad. That's the big doggy boat. Any koi in there? Nope. I don't see no frogs, no turtles, no goldfish, no koi. There's Pinky Baby nose, dude. It's okay. We already had a big bowl of water. We always pack water for when we're traveling. But just look at how beautiful it is. Easy Pink. And we're going to go to the top of it. Right here in Florence, Alabama. The Renaissance Motel. There's Pinky Baby Dad. Yeah, guys, sorry, that's a big old huge camera. Ceramic swoosh. But it's just part of the tour. Step lightly. And here's the staircase. We're going up it. I gotta switch hands so I can hang on to the rail. There's Pinky Baby, dude. This is beautiful. This is the side view. And behind me is the entrance. Pink, let's go for a walk, honey. Pink, Pink. She's like, I want to go for a swim. Pink, 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 Pink. Hey. All right, guys. Let's go walk this. Try to keep the continuity straight. Pink, easy. She already has the leash wrapped around my behind at my ankles. I'm slowly walking up the staircase, trying to keep the continuity, and it's not really going to work. But I want to get to the top of it and see if we can look over. Whoa. Easy, Pink. I like the way the rocks are all laid out. Here, that looks nice. Okay, oh wow, cool. It's like a fountain bowl. Excellent. Now there's an Easter egg I was not expecting, because I've never climbed up here before. And the temperature is about 7 degrees, about 3 breaths. Oh. Pink, she's trying her hardest to find a way to get in that water. So I'm just over the rail. Zoom, all the way in the parking lot. Behind that tree is my car. Can't see that though. This is beautiful. I would love to just sit on that rock and watch Pinky play. In the water, dude. In the water, dude. It is beautiful out here. Okay, well in the shadow now I finally got a breeze. I can catch my breath. So we are down here at the Florence, Alabama, Renaissance Conference Center and Motel, home of the Swampers Bar. And you can't see it, but I'm going to swoosh anyway. Right here at the Big Blue Motel, a restaurant behind them trees. I don't know. Okay, maybe I can walk up here and grab a better look. Yeah, okay, there it is. Pink, easy. Man, she keeps on running behind my legs for some reason. There it is. The Big Blue restaurant. And down below there is where that Swampers is. The lounging bar and restaurant. This is beautiful. There's no historical plaques up here or nothing, though. What kind of thought there would have been. Walk down the staircase quite gingerly, rocking my Adidas, and she ran behind my legs again. What is with you, Pink? Normally you stay on my right-hand side. Now we're going to try to walk down the staircases without Pink wrapping the legs of Felicia around the back of my legs and dragging me down here like a rag doll. Another great seat to be at. Oh. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yep, I smell food. I smell burgers and fries. Must be lunchtime. There's Pinky Baby dead. Another great shot. Just a splash. Here's Pink. This looks great. Uh-oh. Feels like somebody just made some onion rings. Smells good. Oh man. Alright. This is beautiful. Well, that was a fun little horseshoe walk. Just thought I'd bring you guys with. There's Pinky Baby dead. Alright guys, peace and love. Thanks for coming back to Jungle Hop Guy. Once again, the SpongeBob smile. Aha! And it's a beautiful day out here, man. It's just, wow. It's the day you want to be out to walk your dog. And have some fun with it, buddy. Please like. Please like and subscribe and share if you would, please. Pink and I appreciate it here on Jungle Hop Guy on YouTube. Boom. The shirt. Should be wearing a dry fit though today, because a little bit of sweat. It goes a long way. So we're gonna go with the big swoosh. Alright, have a good day. This is Waterfall. The waterfall vlog, guys, is over. Have a blessed day.